Welcome to the Leavitt Group of Boise Loss Control Experience. Let me start with thank you for being a client or considering Leavitt to be your insurance broker. We appreciate your business and look forward to working with your team. Leavitt Loss Control takes pride in being a one-stop shop for all of your risk management solutions. Managing an effective risk management program can be difficult, and we are here to provide our clients with real-world solutions. I am Randall Lessing, the Loss Control Specialist for Leavitt Group of Boise. All my contact information is listed on the slide, and please feel free to contact me with any questions you may have after watching this video. I'd like to start by telling you a little bit about myself. I have worked in the safety field for over 5 years and have served in the Army National Guard since high school and earned the rank of captain. I've had the privilege to work as a regional safety manager for a large trade show company and lead a company of 132 Army soldiers. My civilian education includes a master's degree in public administration and a bachelor's degree in criminal justice. I am currently pursuing the Associates in Risk Management credential and plan to have this completed by the end of 2017. These experiences have prepared me well to problem solve, and I fully understand that realistic solutions are not always easily developed and even harder to implement. I do my best to keep safety simple as possible. I most definitely subscribe to KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. I do know that the more complicated the safety program is, the less likely it will succeed. I really enjoy assisting clients in developing and improving upon their current safety programs. I firmly believe that workplace safety is the right thing to do and that all organizations should invest in protecting their most valuable asset, their employees. I currently reside in the Boise, Idaho area, and I enjoy being in the outdoors and spending time with my wife and 3 children. Reduce your total cost of risk. Our loss control services are intended to reduce our clients' TCOR. This is done by aggressively finding the best prices and insurance carriers available in the open market, using effective loss control techniques to assist with incident prevention, providing regulatory compliance consultation, and utilizing modern risk management techniques and technology to augment our client's current risk management program. Establishing the internal infrastructure needed to manage all elements of your TCOR can be difficult. Our loss control department will provide proven best practices and tools that will make this process much easier. Your organization needs to establish efficiency in managing your risk, and our loss control department is here to assist you. Common problems. Operating a business is complicated and can be difficult at times. Owners and senior executives are faced with challenges that require extensive knowledge on a wide variety of topics. Our loss control department prides ourselves in providing realistic solutions that not only apply to insurance, but your entire risk management program. We have experience in dealing with a wide variety of organizations with risk management programs that range from best in class to not having a program at all. It is important to utilize experienced professionals that have had past success managing difficult problems specific to risk management and loss control. Please do not hesitate to communicate your current pain points to our agency. We take pride in being able to assist our clients with problem solving. The loss control model. This diagram depicts our full loss control model. It is always my goal to spend the majority of our time and resources working on preventative measures. This area will yield the most effective results and lead to building a comprehensive safety program that will rival your industry competitors. The best claim is one that has never occurred. We always recommend that all of our clients spend the majority of time and resources on preventative measures. The most effective loss control programs have adopted all of the elements listed here. Preventing incidents and effective claims management requires a network of plans and policies to simultaneously work together to drive down your total cost of risk. Utilizing our loss control services will greatly assist with increasing efficiencies of your internal risk management network. A loss control self-assessment checklist is available to any of our clients by contacting Randon to request one. This is a great way to start our consultation relationship. Identifying the missing or struggling attributes of our client's individualized loss control program is the first step towards success. Loss Control Toolkit. Our agency has acquired a robust toolkit that can be tailored to meet your organizational needs. All the tools within our toolkit are proven methods that will drive down your total cost of risk. These are all value-added services that can potentially have a major impact on your internal loss control programs. This video will provide a short overview of these services, but please feel free to contact Brandon for more information regarding tools that you think would benefit your organization. Developing a company-specific safety program and manual is one of the most common services provided by our loss control department. When this service is provided by our agency, we always recommend clients implement a full injury and illness prevention plan, also known as an IIPP or I2P2. In simplistic terms, this is nothing more than a way to format your safety manual, which includes elements that should be the foundation of your overall safety program. All loss control consultations provided by our agency will refer back to this basic safety program configuration. IIPP is a preferred program of OSHA and several other leading safety organizations. Several state-ran OSHA programs now require every company to have an IIPP. If you are seeking to update or implement a new safety manual, it is highly recommended that you adopt an IIPP layout as depicted in this diagram. Keep in mind, the IIPP is the foundation of your safety program and articulates how the program is run and will be administered on a day-to-day basis, such as record keeping, employee training, which is a list of what topics employees need to be trained on by their particular position within the company, methods to identify and eliminate hazards, such as workplace audits, methods to report hazards to management, job safety analysis, roles and responsibilities of your safety committee, to include a formalized charter and minutes of each monthly meeting, the roles and responsibilities for each position within the company and how they apply to this overall safety program, and investigating incidents to prevent them from occurring again. Fleet safety is often a weak point in our client's overall risk management program. An effective fleet safety program consists of 4 major sections. Number 1, driver selection. Developing a point system to evaluate motor vehicle reports, which assigns points for various violations found within the MVR. Potential employees that surpass the points threshold should never be allowed to drive for the company. This same MVR point system is also conducted annually for drivers employed by the company. It is important that you take all subjectivity away from this process and have identified points for different violations. This way the company is evaluating employees on a point system, which eliminates the potential for discrimination. All employees should have an effective drug-free workplace program, which includes pre-hire, random, reasonable suspicion, and post-incident drug screenings. DOT regulations must be incorporated for all of your DOT drivers. Number 2, awareness includes a safety pledge signed by all drivers. This pledge will articulate all company expectations and addresses major safety concerns such as distracted driving, cell phone use while driving, and the need to wear seatbelts. Company expectations should be addressed at the time of the job interview and immediately thereafter as the employee receives company-specific new driver training, obviously from an experienced staff member. A full driver's training program includes new hire training by establishing a mentorship program of assigning a new employee to conduct ride-alongs with a supervisor or experienced driver. This is the opportune time to conduct on-the-job training and verify that the newly hired employee is capable of safely operating company vehicles. Ride-alongs should also be conducted on a periodic basis by an expert driver within the company. This is an opportunity to provide coaching and mentorship that will improve all employees' driving skill set. Annual training should be conducted for all drivers which will review lessons learned from past incidents or near misses, and also reiterate past trainings on defensive driving and company expectations. DOT implications and how they apply to your organization should also be reviewed at this time. Your overall program administration includes an awards program for safe driving, GPS and other electronic monitoring devices to assist with fleet management as companies decide to implement, conducting incident investigations, and identifying methods that will prevent a similar incident from occurring again. Rennan is available to assist with developing a comprehensive fleet safety program that will meet the needs for your specific company. Loss run and mod rate analysis. Analyzing organizational losses and mod rates will identify hazards and processes that have led to past losses for your organization. This step will provide a roadmap of what tools will have the greatest impact towards improving your risk management program. Loss runs can identify several helpful trends and common hazards specific to your workplace and job sites. Once these are identified, the next step is to combine our loss control expertise with the client's operational knowledge of their business to develop solutions that will reduce and eliminate the identified trends. Several different trends can be identified from a loss run analysis to include your annual claims frequency and costs, your monthly frequency and costs, injured body parts, common causes of injuries, the most common injury types, and we can also analyze your claims by location. This is a great tool to hold location managers accountable for their safety record and the amount of claims that are coming from their particular area of responsibility. In addition to analyzing claims, your workers' compensation mod rate will be dissected to illustrate what potential savings are available by implementing effective loss control measures. One of the most important variables to understand your worker comp insurance is your individual mod rate, which is specific to your company. Your mod rate will either provide a credit or debit towards the overall cost of your insurance premium. Understanding this calculation and how it is currently affecting your overall insurance cost will clearly identify potential cost savings and the need to pursue effective loss control. The Risk Management Center. This is a great tool to automate and increase the effectiveness of your overall safety program. The Risk Management Center is a web-based safety software that will house an entire safety program under one roof. This technology will allow your team to access important records from any location using a phone, tablet, or computer, as long as they have an internet connection. The software consists of 8 different applications that have a distinct function administering your overall safety program. I'd like to highlight the applications that our clients have enjoyed the most. The Risk Management Library contains over 3,000 documents of trainings, policies, tailgate talks, and other materials that are in both English and Spanish. All these documents can be downloaded and are fully editable. This means that your staff can rebrand the materials with company-specific information and insert your company logo. Claims Track can be used to report initial incidents to include near misses to your safety department. The system will also track all stages of the incident through the investigation all the way to assigning abatement to specific employees within the company. Claims diaries can be logged whenever the company makes contact with employees treating for worker compensation and document all of their medical treatments. OSHA logs are auto-populated as data is entered into the system. The training track is used to track individualized employees' training records and can be used to assign over 70 online interactive trainings, which cover everything from safety to HR-related topics. The system can also run training reports by person, department, or location. It is really important to maintain accurate training records for regulatory compliance purposes and to ensure all employees are being properly trained to company expectations. This is only a few highlights of this awesome system, and please check out other YouTube videos we have posted on our Leavitt Group channel for more information regarding the capabilities of all 8 applications. One of the major benefits of this software is that your safety program will now be readily accessible to several different locations and all supervisors with one simple internet connection. Several of our clients have fully engaged in implementing all aspects of this software into their safety program and have reported outstanding results. Annual Risk Management Center fees. All subscription fees are an annual flat fee. There are no hidden costs, and the billing of your subscription is administered directly by Leavitt Group of Boise. Randon is available to assist all subscribers with implementation of the software system. Succeed also has a full support staff that will assist all clients in implementing the different applications of the software. From my experience, this is one of the most robust safety software solutions available on the market. It can house your entire safety program under one roof and make all your safety data readily accessible throughout your large organization. More information and a safety software demo is available by contacting Randon. If you'd like more information, check out the other Risk Management Center videos posted on our Leavitt Group of Boise YouTube channel. Injury triage. There are several workplace injury triage services that have proven records of reducing the total number of claims filed by companies from all types of industries ranging from construction to manufacturing. Frontline supervisors are faced with difficult decisions regarding medical treatment for employee injuries that appear to be minor or potentially treatable with standard first aid measures. Utilizing an injury triage completely eliminates this difficult decision and transfers the risk to certified trained medical professionals. Your supervisor no longer will have to make difficult decisions. The medical professionals will correctly triage the injury and recommend the appropriate medical care. The entire phone call and triage is recorded and a report is sent to your internal organization for your own record-keeping purposes. If the injury cannot be effectively treated with first aid, the triage documentation can then be used to file a claim with your insurance carrier. This tool is extremely effective in driving down claim frequency. Typical claims reduction from utilizing such service ranges from 10 to 30%, which can potentially save your organization thousands of dollars in premium and reduce the needless stress of requiring supervisors to make difficult medical treatment decisions without the appropriate training. Other loss control services. In addition to all the services previously discussed, our loss control department can provide several other services on an as-needed or requested basis. Randon is an OSHA authorized instructor for OSHA 10 and 30-hour courses in both construction and general industry. This is a great course that will increase your employees' knowledge of OSHA regulations, hazard identification in the field, and methods to avoid and eliminate those hazards. Our department has recently purchased software capable of developing customized trainings that can be given online and are interactive in nature. These trainings can focus on equipment and work protocols that are specific to your company. Other services, job site audits, regulatory compliance audits, job safety analysis development, lockout tagout program development, which needs to be specific to the machinery you have within your company, policy and program development, safety leadership development, employee safety training, and teamwork. All safety programs require effective teamwork, and this is a major focus of all trainings produced by our loss control department. Summary. For all new clients, we'd like to conduct a loss run and mod rate analysis, as we previously discussed. This is a great way to identify where the company has been and some ways that it can improve. We can also do training of your OSHA incident rates and identify citation histories. This is a great way to increase regulatory compliance and make a solid path going forward. We also work with clients to set realistic goals that meet the needs of your organization. We have awesome technology resources available. The Leavitt Risk Management Center is good as it gets and can help any internal safety professional manage their safety program. We also conduct regular webinars and send out monthly newsletters with safety messages to all of our clients. We can develop customized online interactive trainings that is specific to your company operations, as well as company equipment. Injury triage services. This is a great way to reduce claim frequency and make sure that employees that can treat first aid do so without having to go down to the clinic and file a claim. Injury and illness prevention plan. This is the foundation of the majority of our consultation. Proactive safety approach rooted in teamwork. An effective safety program requires you be proactive. Customized systems reflective of your business. We don't like to do cookie cutter here. We like to customize materials and trainings that will meet the needs of your company and reflective of equipment and tasks that your employees are performing on a daily basis. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you for considering Leavitt Group of Boise to be a potential insurance broker. We appreciate your business, and please feel free to contact Randon, and please take the time to watch the other videos that are posted on our YouTube channel. I think that you'll find them to be extremely useful. Thanks again, and I look forward to talking to you soon.